In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to restrict maturity content on Roblox. This is crucial because the platform is primarily used by children and teenagers. Ensuring that inappropriate themes like violence, sexual content, and drug use are not accessible helps protect young users from harmful influences and promotes healthy development. To do this, simply head to Roblox. You want to tap on More, and then select Settings. You will then head to the option of Privacy and Content Maturity. Select onto the option of Content Maturity. Now to totally restrict maturity content, simply slide to Restricted. Tap on Verify to enter your email, and once your identity is verified, all content that might be sensitive won't be shown to your account. Well, that's how easy it is to restrict maturity content on Roblox. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.